everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into United Wholesale Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser and in the search box type in uwm.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website. Click on the login button at the upper right in order to reach to the login area. Now, in the sign in page, type in your email address that is associated with the account. Now, head over to the next text field and type in your password. If you are having trouble remembering your credentials, click on Having Trouble Logging In link right below the sign in button and follow the instructions to resolve your issue. After you're done entering all the credentials, click on Sign In and you'll be logged into United Wholesale Mortgage account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.